If you are a bachelor or a master student and wants to win a foreign scholarship for your high studies, then this video is for you. Because in today's video, I'll give you 3 tips that will help you to make your profile stronger. Wants to know more in detail? Just stick around. Hello guys, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Khadija Arsal here and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you heard me correctly. Today I'm gonna give you some tips. Well, the video is not about me, so I won't brag about myself, but just to give you a brief idea about my education background is I'm an alumni of Erasmus Mundus Master Program. I graduated last year and since this year I started my PhD in Germany. And the tips that I'm gonna share with you are totally based on my experience and exposure. So coming towards the main point. Well, we all know that the application requirement of almost all the scholarship programs are almost the same. They require you to submit your CV, motivation letter, recommendation letter, your transcripts, along with IELTS score. But my tips are not about these 5, but they are part of them. So tip number 1, MOOC. MOOC are massive open online courses and you can take these courses from different websites, for example edX or Coursera. Well, why taking these courses are important? They act as a bridge between your bachelor program and master program. For example, you want to apply for a master program that is closely relevant to your bachelor program. But if you manage to take some online courses, then this shows your motivation to advance your knowledge in that particular field. And in another case, if your intended master program is less relevant to your bachelor program, then you have to justify the reason in your motivation letter, and in that case these online courses will help you out. Well, these online courses are not only for those students who wants to apply for foreign scholarships, but also for those who left their studies because of job or because of any reason, and they can still advance their knowledge and get skills because these certified online courses are accepted and recognized worldwide. Most of the students complete the courses but without a certificate, because for a certificate you have to pay. And the question that I encounter the most while reviewing applications is, I have completed the course but I don't have any certificate, and can I mention this in my CV? And the answer is no. Please never ever mention anything in your CV that you don't have any documented proof. It can go against your profile and it will leave a negative impression on a selection committee. Tip number 2, research experiences or internships. Please try to avail these opportunities as much as you can during your bachelor level, where you can apply your theoretical knowledge and can get hands-on skills in your field. If you can't find internships, then try to find professors in your department who have some research projects and where you can do some voluntary work. But don't forget to take the experience letter at the end. This will make your profile stronger. Tip number 3, co-curricular or extracurricular activities. I know all of us have a different taste, but if you have these kind of achievements, then never underestimate their value because they are highly appreciated. And these are the things that nobody will ask for, but if you have them, then your profile will be distinguished for sure. So these are the 3 tips from my side, and if I miss some point, then please let me know in the comment section below. And if you find the video informative and relevant, then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so that maximum people get the benefit of it, and please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next upload. That would be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can get a certificate for any online course free of cost. And if you have any question related to this video, then write down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer all, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.